Right, we're back at it again. Do a bit of work on this old truck. It's rough, alright. It's rough. Well, I reckon it's savable. I think it's locked in gear. Sure, it's locked in gear. Just can't move the gear stick. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm showing you what I'm doing. I'm going to do the prop there, push it back on the splines, and see if I can got one nut off anyway, which I'm quite surprised about. I'll just pop it off there, which will be a fucking struggle in itself. It'll just pop off. Let's get these nuts and bolts out. I won't film doing this because it's just fucking undoing nuts and bolts. So we'll get these undone and we'll I'll come back to you when I'm trying to get this this prop undone. Well, I've got the prop off. Just tied it up there for the time being. Don't think it's in gear. Otherwise it'll be turning the engine. So it ain't in gear. I thought it was in gear. Just want to take these wheels off. But if you look on them, it's got an L on it. Left hand thread. You can see that there. That means it's a left hand thread. These older vehicles had left hand threads. That one there, it's got an R on it. So, good job I noticed that. Let's get these wheel nuts off. Seem to be a bit tight. Probably not been off for about fucking 30 years. So, let's get these wheel nuts off. see that left hand thread here. I'm trying to get this working, but there's an awful lot of water coming out of it. Didn't have a lid on it. It's just filled up with water. It's the pure water coming out of it. I wonder it won't go up. Right, let's get this prop shaft back on. Now I know that it's let that drain out. I thought it was locked in gear, but it's not locked in gear. It's this here that's stuck. See that? Cast alley. It's got a metal shaft, a steel shaft going through that. I reckon it's stuck in there. So it won't stop it from starting, but I need to put that prop back on. So I need to move it from where it is. It's blocking these gates. So get this prop back on and let that drain off. Oh, it's drained off. Oh, look at that. Get all that out. I'll refill it with proper stuff. Oh, look at the state of that. Right, let's get this working again. This is where I'm up to at the moment. Cut that bit out there, put a piece of boxing. I'm going to cut that off. Already got that bit in there, bolted up. I took the step off. I'm going to take the bumper off. Take a few bits off it. I'll try and repair them wings. If we can get some new ones, I'll get some, or some better ones, let's say. But at least we can get to a few bits. Just need to tilt the cab just a couple of feet. Just see if we can get the engine running. But yeah, we're getting there anyway. Took the tank off. So well, that's it for this video. Try and get it going on the next video. But yeah, thanks for watching. See you later.